Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a web browser. This easy method involves using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual mobile environment on your computer. BlueStacks is a highly recommended and free option that allows you to run mobile applications directly from your desktop. It provides a seamless way to access your favorite games, offering a full Android experience without needing a physical device. You'll be playing in no time. To begin, navigate to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer. Once the download is complete, simply run the file and follow the straightforward instructions that appear on your screen. The entire installation process is quite quick, usually taking just a few minutes. For the best experience, make sure your computer meets the recommended system specifications to ensure smooth gameplay and optimal performance. Once BlueStacks is successfully installed, open the application and locate the Google Play Store. Just like on a mobile device, you can use the search bar to find Brawl Stars. After finding the game, click on it and then select the Install button. The game will then download and install itself automatically within the BlueStacks environment, preparing it for you to play. With Brawl Stars installed, you can now launch it directly from the BlueStacks home screen. BlueStacks often provides pre-configured keyboard controls for many games, making it easy to jump right in. However, you also have the flexibility to customize these key mappings to perfectly match your preferred playstyle. Enjoy the enhanced experience of playing Brawl Stars on a larger screen with the precision of a mouse and keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.